In this video, I will show you how to schedule Instagram post. First things first, open the app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, in order to schedule a post, you must have a professional Instagram account. And if you do not have a professional account, then click on profile icon in the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile page, click on three lines in the top right corner and this will take you to your settings menu. Now in the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find account types and tools. And here you can see we have this option of switch to professional account. Click on it and then follow on screen prompts. And once you're done, click on create button, which you will find at the bottom of your screen. Now choose the photo you want to post and you can also edit them as needed. Add caption, tags, and once you're done, scroll to the bottom and you will find this option labeled as more options. Click on it. Here at the very top, you can see we have this option of schedule this post. So toggle this on and now choose a date and time and then click on done. Now click on schedule and with that, you have scheduled a post on Instagram.